Hey everyone, Zara here, and today I'm back with today I'm going to show you how to make lips. I think I'm going to try to do a style. So I think what you're going to do is going to be in this shop. So I'm going to pull it up, mix in. Have PS3, please add me on PS3, and my name is Minecraft 03, and I'll link it down in the description down below. You guys don't, if you don't know, guys don't know.
He's my friend on PS3.
No, you're not. And go follow him as well. His name's PoyX12. But people call him Poxy. I don't know why. But if you guys have only PS3, it only works on PS3, guys. PS3. So
sometimes I play on PS4, so you can have me on PS4.
Yeah, if you guys have PS4, just add him. And it's Poxy as well. And then
POIUX.
Okay. So you guys just need to put it in the freezer for about an hour or 5 hours or 20 hours. It's only like 5 minutes or so. So, yeah, let's go do that. So guys, it did not work. So, yeah, it did not work. So I'm going to show you guys now what it looks like.
It was only just a minute.
Yeah, just a minute in the freezer. And it did not work, so I recommend not trying this at home. No. You'll just waste salt, you just waste water, and
salt's not a good thing.
We are on water restrictions right now. In Australia, we are on water restrictions.
Oh, sweetie,
So, don't know. Okay, so just I'll link down in the description below my friends in Minecraft, PS3, and you guys follow my brother. You guys add my brother and me, of course. I'll link it down in the description down below. And so yeah, I'll link his in the PS4 and I think it was PS4 and PS3. I'll link mine on the PS3 as well. So see you guys next time, and please don't try this at home. Don't. Please subscribe and like to my channel, and if you're subscribe.